All right, hello everybody. This is Stephanie here. We are currently staying at Mandalay Bay. We are in room 6207. This is the Penthouse Sky Suite. We decided to splurge for our anniversary and thought we would give you guys a quick walkthrough. So here's our entryway. So walk in, you have some nice paintings on the wall. Gorgeous. Just over to your right, we have a little mini bar area and a wet bar. So we've got the wet bar, we've got a fridge there. There is a coffee maker, TV in the wet bar. So we have all that. Bathroom number 1 is right here. Nice big half bath. Got the sink here. Toilet, some more pretty artwork. And then over here, next to the wet bar, we've got closet number 1. Zoom out a little bit for you guys here. All right, if we continue through, we come into the living area. Nice big couch. Nice big TV. Got some bar stools here. There's the bedroom. We'll go in there in just a minute. Another little seating area. Here is our lovely view. Again, this is a Sky Suite strip view. Gorgeous. I'll have to try to get some pictures at night to show you guys. Come through here, we've got a nice big mirror. King size bed. We got another TV here on the wall. Got your imports there, so if you're gonna plug in your laptop so you can watch a video that you brought, you can do all of that there. Lots of nice drawers in the dresser here. Work area, if you so choose to work while you're here. More of that gorgeous, gorgeous strip view. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Neat lighting. And here is bathroom number 2. Got a good, nice stand-up shower. Looks over here. It's not a jetted tub, but it is a nice big soaking tub. So that's nice. Some relaxing there. His and hers sinks. With your accoutrement here. There's a TV remote, so I'm guessing there is a TV. Oh, it's a TV in the mirror. It looks like it says electric mirror. So we can soak in the tub and watch some TV. Interesting. Then the MGM Resorts accoutrement there, some soaps and shampoos. And then we've got the other toilet here. One thing I noticed, there is no phone in these bathrooms, so that's different. But you do get a TV, so I'll have to try that out later. Then you've got 2 more closets here. I do get robes in the suite. And then here, another closet. Looks like we've got ironing board. There's a safe. It's not a very deep safe, so if you bring a laptop, that may or may not be helpful for you. I don't know if there's another safe maybe in one of the drawers. I haven't looked. Sometimes there is. And then we did learn that the drapes and everything are on the lovely buttons. So that is always nice. So overall, I am very impressed with this room. We only paid an extra $100. Figured we'd splurge a little bit to have the nice room, nice view. This is gonna be a little smaller gambling trip for us. But gorgeous room, gorgeous view. So if you guys ever think of staying at Mandalay Bay, might be worth giving it a try. Thanks, bye.